Litecoin and Bitcoin update. What's up, guys? Crypto Savvy here. Hope everyone's having a great Sunday. I'm going to make this video really quick. Just look at some short-term targets. And if you watched my video yesterday, I talked about starting a Discord channel that is more friendly and less arrogance and not so much know-it-all-y, in an actual Discord to be more friendly and help people learn and not knock people when they post their charts or whatever. Well, I've got some moderators together and we are starting that, and within the next couple of videos, the next few days, I'll put a link to it in the description when we get it all ready. And it's going to be more strict on not letting the bullies come in, and it's just going to be more understanding of there's more ways than just one to do charting. So anyways, if you're interested in that, keep watching the videos. Make sure you're subscribed and you tick the notification bell and stuff so you get notified. But I will be putting that up within the next couple days for sure, so just to let you guys know. But anyway, we're going to take a look at Litecoin, then we're going to take a look at Bitcoin. Like I said, it's going to be a quick video, short term, so stick around.
1, 2, 3,
All right, guys, as always, I want to start out by saying I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion and my view of the market only. Anybody that's doing any trading or any investing in this market, I suggest you do your own due diligence and your own research, as this market can be extremely volatile and risky. With that being said, if you're new here or you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button in the lower right-hand side of the screen. Tick the notification bell to get you notified when I post new videos. And smash those likes. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think, guys. I really appreciate all the feedback you guys have been giving me, and thanks for all the people out there sharing the videos, helping it get out there, helping the channel grow. It's awesome. I really appreciate it. So anyways, all right, on to the charts. Looking at Litecoin in the 4-hour, as you can see, I had this channel drawn here to where we broke out over here. I don't know why this is doing this, but anyways, we broke out, and that gets me the target up to this $65 range. I had the range over in the 63, but I've moved it up a little now, guys. And again, we're just going to run through the short-term targets and why. So as you can see here, I have this bull flag drawn here, and if we measure that flag pull from the tip of the flag pull down to where it broke out, then we put it up to the top of the flag where we broke out of the flag, then that gets us that $68 to $69 range, guys. And then the next measured move would be, see this little mini bull flag forming here, and we'd do the same thing, measure the flag pull, get it here. That gets me around the $65 to $66 range. So these are my short-term targets right now, guys. I do believe we're gonna head up to those, and it not to say it's gonna shoot straight up. It may be a slow walk up there, but I do see that coming. I'm gonna take a look at the RSI. As you guys know, I don't like to use a lot of indicators. I think it's a lot of noise. I use basically just my RSI, my Fibonacci, trend lines, support and resistance, a little bit of MACD, but not too much. I kind of got away from MACD a little bit. So anyways, as you can see, I have these trend lines drawn here, and they've both been acting as support and resistance. Same with this one, support and resistance, and we're getting resistance now, which is why I think we're going to get a dip down, which will finish off the bull flag that we're looking at, and then continue on up and probably test this for resistance again and break through. But that's something we have to watch. And if you guys are not doing your own charting, I suggest you do. It's good to watch YouTube and watch the people on here, kind of learn some charting experience from them, but don't take anybody's as gold and that you're gonna just make your calls off what they do, and that's including me, guys. So I just want to put that out there. We'll take a look at the daily RSI. I have this rising wedge drawn here, and as you can see, we've gotten resistance twice up here. We've gotten our support a few times down here. Looks like we're ticking down a little bit. We may come down down here, like I said, to finish off this bull flag. And then again, it may not come all the way down there. We can draw a trend line here. Trend lines in the RSIs work great, guys. And if you can see that, we'll probably get a tick down to right here, and then, you know, continue up from there. Maybe test the top of this, which will, you know, get us up to our target ranges I have in here. So anyway, that's where we're at with that one. I'm going to go on to Bitcoin, and same type thing, guys. I've had this. Well, I'm going to show you what the white line is first, so I can show you what I think is going on here. This white line's the big falling wedge that I've had drawn out here. And we've broken out in the last couple days, so let me zoom in real quick and take a look at what's going on. All right, I've drawn a channel here. We'll take a quick look at these higher targets too, but that's not important until obviously we break some resistance over here. But anyway, I'm going to show you what I believe is going on here. As you can see, I've drawn an upward channel here that we've been obeying pretty good. It's been staying in the lines. We've gotten quite a bit of support across the bottom and resistance across the top. So what I do think is possible here, guys, is that we come back down to this range to excuse me, too early in the morning for this, to test the top of this falling wedge that I've had drawn here, which is going to be around the 38.80 range, somewhere in there, and then continue up from there, you know, maybe a little sideways action or whatever. But eventually I do see us coming up to test this 41.80 range, and I don't see us going below this 38.80 range, guys. But if we do, you know, our next support is this 38.34, which would probably line up with the 200 EMA at that point. But I do see us getting support on the top of this line and then continuing on up from there. And my target for the short to midterm on this is the 41.80 range, guys. Now I'm going to show you what to watch for when we get to that 41.80 range. Like I said, we'll pop up here, and then we're most definitely going to get some heavy resistance there. As you can see, resistance. It was old support over here, and once we broke through, it's became resistance ever since. So we're definitely going to get some resistance here, guys. And if we do a measured move, if we end up breaking out of this, what I do see happening once we hit this, we may come back down and test this, the bottom of this channel again for support. And if we do get support, I believe we continue up from there. If not, if we break down through here, then we could be coming to test some lows down here between the, actually, I'm going to move this up, guys, because I believe that this area is what we would be testing as support, which is this bottom trend line here that I have drawn, which is also the bottom of this symmetrical triangle I had drawn here. But going to be looking in this area around the 36.50 range after we get up to this, if we break down from there, which is definitely possible, guys. But what I'm looking at here is, if, as you see this neckline, if we do break above this, this could be a inverse head and shoulders right here. This will be the left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So what I would do there is make a measured move coming down to here. I do not know why that keeps doing that. Sorry. But anyways, and then we would bring it up to, if we were to break out of that line, and that would bring us up to this $5,000 range. Let's just say the $5,000 range. And again, guys, these numbers aren't exact. They're just giving us an idea. But that's what I'd be looking at if we broke up. But first we would have to break this resistance here, which is this old resistance over here. You know, we might bounce around in this area for a while before continuing up if we can break this. But keep in mind, guys, you got to keep an eye on these. So anyways, another way to look at this would be, we would measure from the top up here. Let's go. If this was an Adam and Eve, and this would be the neckline of the Adam and Eve right here, guys. measure down to the atom. And then we would bring it back over to that neckline. And that would get us up to the 52.51 range. So again, guys, I am pretty bullish here, and I do believe these were our bottoms. I don't believe that we will see sub 3,000 like some people are talking about. I just don't see it. I could be wrong. You know, again, I'm not a financial advisor. But anyways, I am bullish here in the short term, and I just wanted to get a video out there for you guys today to kind of show you what I'm looking at. So, yeah, if you liked the video, leave your comments in the comment section down below. You can click the Crypto Savvy logo above my head if you want to get subscribed to the channel. Tick the notification bell to get notified when I post new videos. Smash those likes and leave your comments, guys. Have a good day.